Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something every developer needs to know about: integrated development environments, or IDEs for short. An IDE is essentially your workshop where you have all the tools you need to write, test, and debug your code in one place. IDEs come packed with features like intelligent code completion, debugging tools, and project management capabilities. They streamline your workflow and boost your productivity by reducing the time you spend on routine tasks. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned developer, choosing the right IDE can make a huge difference in your coding experience. In this video, we'll explore some of the most popular IDEs out there, but we'll be covering using IDLE, which comes with Python by default. Let's begin. Jupyter Notebook is a free and open source program. It is widely used in the data science and machine learning community. Visual Studio Code is a free and open source code editor developed by Microsoft. It is designed to provide a lightweight yet powerful development environment for a variety of programming languages and frameworks. Spider is a free and open source IDE specifically designed for scientific programming in Python. You can even use Notepad++ as a simple IDE with additional plugins like npexec. Just set up an npexec script as shown in the video, save it, and you're ready to start coding in Python. You'll have a console at the bottom that displays your output, making it easy to see the results of your code. Here is an example of a simple print statement. Just type in your code, save the file, and then press Alt+F6 to run it. Using IDLE is simple. To open it, go to the Start menu and type in IDLE. What will come up is the IDLE shell. There are two main parts to IDLE: the shell and the editor window. Right now, we will go over the shell. When the shell opens, you will see three greater than symbols. This is your prompt, and it indicates that the shell is ready for you to enter commands. You can type in any valid Python expression and press Enter to execute the code. For multi-line code, like a loop, press Enter to create new lines. The shell will auto-indent code blocks. Pressing Enter twice will end the code block and execute your expression. For command history navigation in IDLE, use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through previously entered lines of code. To re-execute a command, press Enter to bring it up in the prompt, then press Enter again to execute it. You can also click on a line of code to bring it to the prompt and execute it. You can customize the shell by clicking on Options and then Configure IDLE. Here you can change settings like the font, shortcuts, and window preferences. One of the best features is under Highlights, where you can select IDLE Dark for the theme. Let's go over the IDLE editor window. To open the editor window, select File and then New File or press Ctrl+N. This tool is perfect for writing, editing, and running Python scripts with tabs for various functions, useful features, and some hidden gems. The IDLE shell and editor window serve different purposes. The shell is an interactive environment for immediate code execution, providing instant feedback as you type and execute code line by line. It's ideal for testing small snippets and debugging, but less suited for multi-line code and script management. In contrast, the editor window is designed for full script development, offering a robust text editor with syntax highlighting, file management, and the ability to run entire scripts. While the shell is great for quick tests and immediate feedback, the editor window excels at handling larger projects and organized code development. To run your code, you can click on Run and then Run module or press Ctrl+F5. If you haven't already, you will need to save your file. Once you run your code, you will see the output in the shell window. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, like, subscribe, and comment with what you want explained next.